Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build data visualization dashboards with Microsoft Power BI easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Power BI desktop. Begin by selecting Get Data to import your data source. Choose the type of data you want to use, such as Excel, SQL Server, or a web-based source. Click Connect and follow the prompts to load your data into Power BI. Once your data is loaded, navigate to the Data view to examine your dataset. Review the columns and rows to ensure all necessary data is present and correctly formatted. Next, switch to the Report view to start designing your dashboard. In the Visualizations pane, select a chart or graph type that suits your data analysis needs. Drag and drop fields from your dataset into the visual to populate it with data. Adjust the axis, titles, and other formatting options to enhance clarity and presentation. Use the Filters pane to refine the data displayed in your visualizations. Consider adding more visuals to your report by repeating the process with different chart types. To arrange your visuals, click and drag them into your desired layout on the canvas. If needed, resize the visuals for better alignment and aesthetics. Experiment with themes in the View tab to apply a consistent style to your dashboard. Once satisfied with your dashboard design, save your work. To share your dashboard, navigate to the Home tab and select Publish. Choose the workspace where you wish to publish your dashboard. After publishing, you can view and share the dashboard online through the Power BI service. Explore your dashboard and utilize interactive features to gain deeper insights into your data. Continue to refine your dashboard as new data becomes available or as analyses evolve. This marks the completion of your data visualization dashboard in Microsoft Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.